Well, we were landing on this fast ice, going for a walk, and we spotted these killer whales, and they hunt along the edge of the fast ice. And we've just been seeing that for the last half an hour. Incredible. There must be 30 animals here. We saw little calves, big bulls, and it's just really, really special here in Flanders Bay, watching killer whales in their natural habitat.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
So killer whales are really important in the Southern Ocean ecosystem because they're the main predator, and they're the top predator, a bit like wolves in Yellowstone. And we know that predators are really important for keeping the ecosystem in check and attacking the other animals, making sure there aren't too many. So they're there for checks and balances. They hang out in family units, and it's always the mother or grandmother in charge. So that's a matriarchal society. It's absolutely fascinating. They teach the sons and their daughters how to feed. And what's really cool about killer whales in Antarctica is they seem to be breaking into their own species almost based on the different feeding techniques and their different diet.
That was incredible! That was one of the most special things of my entire life.